The internet's most valuable skill is not coding, graphic design, or video editing. It's actually something much simpler, and it's called copywriting. Now, maybe you've heard of copywriting before, but if you haven't, allow me to shed some light on exactly what it is, how to use it, and how you can actually start making money with it as soon as possible. First things first that I have to get out of the air right now is that copywriting has nothing to do with infringement of other people's intellectual property or copyright law or anything like that. It's actually something completely different. That is copywriting with an R, and this is copywriting with a W. Copywriting is sales in written form. It's where psychology, marketing, and words come together. The device you're watching this on right now, you bought it because of copywriting. All of those brands that you're loyal to, well, that's copywriting at work. Even your current career choice was influenced by words that were meant to persuade you. Look around at everything you own. Before you bought it, you read something that made you think that that was worth your money. So let me explain what's really happening. Copywriting is the invisible force that uses strategic language in order to influence your decisions. And it's exactly why businesses invest millions in finding the best words. For example, have you ever been to a website and have a pop-up asking for your email address? If not, you can do this quick test that takes about 5 seconds. Open up Google and type in any random product word. For example, t-shirt. Then as soon as you get on the page, within the first 5 seconds, they're going to ask you for your name and your email address. They're even going to incentivize you by saying you can get 5 to 10% off your first purchase. Literally, they are buying your email address from you. But have you ever wondered why that is? Well, it's so that they can use copywriting in order to persuade you to buy more of their product down the line. And that's through something called email marketing. Or maybe you've been scrolling Instagram or YouTube and you see an ad, or you're on YouTube and you see one of those annoying, unskippable ads. Even the content that you watch on Instagram and YouTube is all written by copywriters. And maybe you're wondering, well, Tyson, it's 2025. Copywriting seems completely outdated. It seems oversaturated. I mean, how could it even be worth investing your time and energy into? Well, don't just listen to me, because I guarantee that some of your favorite online business influencers are also talking about the effectiveness of copywriting. For example, Alex Hormozi made this video where he states,
I was a moron and decided to not email for the vast majority of my life because I hate money, apparently. Like, imagine if there was a stock investment that you could 50x in a week. Well, that's kind of like what email is.
Iman Gadzhi also talks about copywriting, and he made this reel where he talks about,
now, people will pay a lot of money if you can take care of their emails for them, weekly newsletter, whatever, anything they need to do to actually get written word out.
And even Andrew Tate, as controversial as he is, admitted himself that,
I mean, copywriting is a thing, right? And it still is a thing. But the amount of websites which could benefit from a complete copy change, right? And you could charge them money for that.
And the reason as to why the biggest business influencers in the world all swear by copywriting is for one thing, and that's because copywriting is the one skill that appreciates over time rather than depreciates in value. Meaning, the longer you actually do copywriting, the more case studies you get, the more experience you have, the more skills you get, and of course, the more you can get paid. For example, I'm gonna throw some screenshots on screen now of some of my students and some of the people that I know who have been absolutely crushing it with copywriting, quitting their 9-to-5 jobs, getting $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 per month copywriting clients. And the cool thing is they can actually handle multiple of these clients because all they're doing is writing some emails or writing some landing pages. In fact, I even made a video on this very channel of how I made $2,000 in 1 hour with copywriting just by writing a simple sales page. And I am just scratching the surface. I've been able to actually make over 10K per month with copywriting in my first 9 months. And a year after that, I was actually able to hit 100K per month with my own business, where I use all of the things that I actually learned by becoming a copywriter. I mean, it's actually pretty cool when you think about it that I actually got started with 3 jobs. I was working construction, in the Army, and also a security guard. So I had less than no experience, yet I was able to make all of this happen because of the power of marketing and copywriting. Now, maybe you're wondering, how much does a copywriter actually make? Well, if you were to Google this question, you'd probably see they usually make somewhere between $50,000 and $60,000 per year. And that's not bad, but that's for a 9-to-5 copywriter, which is not actually what I'm talking about in this video. I'm talking about something else that is freelance copywriting. And as a freelancer, like I said, they don't care about paying you hourly. They would rather just pay you per project. And you're mostly judged on the revenue that you bring in for the company, not how hard or how long you work. And this is why freelance copywriting is such a great opportunity in 2025, because you don't have to answer to any boss, you don't have to commute to work, and you can make money anywhere as long as you got a laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. For example, just listen to some of these wins from the copywriters that I've interviewed on this very channel.
It's a crazy number, but I actually made $18.6 thousand this month.
Last month I made 13.3K.
So last month I made around $5,000.
$10,000.
I'm over like the shiny number that everybody's striving for at the beginning.
I reached 10K a month. I'm able to travel whenever I want. I was able to quit college.
I've got 2 big clients. I won't say the exact number, but I'm above that, shiny number that everybody says, they want to make.
And like I said, all you need to start is exactly what you're watching this video on, which is your laptop and a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, but let's address the elephant in the room. What about AI? Isn't that going to make copywriters go extinct? Well, I'll put it this way. AI isn't replacing copywriters, but it is replacing the mediocre copywriters, and it's making the skilled copywriters even more efficient. Why? Because AI is actually a tool that copywriters benefit from. Thinking that AI is going to replace copywriters is a lot like thinking that a calculator is going to replace all mathematicians. So what we're witnessing isn't the replacement of copywriters, but rather just natural selection. AI is creating a clear divide between 2 different types of professionals. One is the order taker who just rearranges words, and 2 are the strategic thinkers who actually understand psychology and marketing. Now, the first group should be worried, but the second group is about to experience the golden age. For example, think about how a skilled carpenter uses a circular saw. Does that saw make the carpenter less valuable? The answer is no. It allows them to move faster, be more efficient, and have even more skilled precision. And that's exactly how new copywriters aren't only staying relevant, but are also crushing it in 2025. And that's because they're using what I call the new copywriter's toolkit. Because starting out as a copywriter and then earning money while you actually learn and master the skill, and then adding on more high income skills on top of that as well, is going to open so many doors for you. Let me explain. Let's say that there are 1 million businesses looking for copywriters right now. Well, how many businesses do you think are looking for not just copywriting, but also sales funnel building, landing page design, and email marketing? This brings the number from 1 million possible clients to 10 million possible clients. And on top of that, you're actually able to charge more because you're bringing more skills to the table. Now, of course, this is where most people would talk about, oh man, now you can just get my $997 course, but we don't do that around here. In fact, my best advice is to stay away from any paid courses and avoid anyone trying to shove some course or program down your throat. You should learn what you can for free and then decide if you want to invest in yourself with a course or program somewhere else down the line. And if you're looking for a great place to start, I've put together a complete 8-hour comprehensive free copywriting course that's right here on YouTube. And it's meant to take you from total beginner, like not even knowing what copywriting is, all the way to somebody who is able to make over 10K per month with copywriting and also supporting skills. This is the exact course that delivered life-changing results for so many people. For example, look at all these comments on screen now. So click the link, and after you watch the first 5 minutes of the big course, I'm sure you will be hooked.